and gentlemen, Pakistan's attempt to declare Gilgit-Baltistan as its latest province has badly backfired within less than 24 hours. The people of POK have exposed Imran and his rogue army at the UNHRC. Gilgit is Indian. Hashtag viewers tonight. Gilgit is Indian. Let's send this message out because that is the message the people of Gilgit-Baltistan have for Islamabad tonight. Let's debate.
Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan has erupted in protest. The atrocities on the people due to the China-Pakistan economic corridor has led to an uprising in the region. And their voice is now resonating on international platforms.
The world seems to have been hypnotized by the fake narrative spun by Pakistani government. Scores of young men from Gilgit-Baltistan are serving 70 to 90 years imprisonment for protesting against the plunder of our natural resources. Anti-terrorism laws are used as a tool to crush any dissent. My people are desperate to gain freedom from Pakistan and join Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh in the Indian Union territory. I demand that the United Nations lend me her ears if she wants to end the desperation of my people.
Gilgit activists have called out Pakistan's lies. They've spoken for the people. They want to be back with India. They want a merger with a country they rightfully belong to. A region illegally occupied for the last 70 years, Pakistan now wants to make Gilgit-Baltistan its fifth province to appease Beijing. Because China is facing the heat at the line of actual control, with Indian troops staring back eye to eye, achieving dominating positions.
एक तरफ लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल पर हमारे जवान मुस्तैदी के साथ डटे हुए हैं, दूसरी तरफ दिल्ली में भी बैठकों का दौर जारी है। लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल पर जिस तरह से तनाव बने हुए हैं और चीन की चालबाजियां जारी है, उसको लेकर के हमारे जवान पूरी तरीके से तैयार हैं, हर स्थिति से निपटने के लिए मोर्चा संभाले हुए हैं।
As Indian Army crushes Pakistan's proxy war in the valley and gives it back to the belligerence of the Chinese at the LAC, Imran Khan should get the message. The countdown has begun for Gilgit-Baltistan to be freed. Let's debate.
Major Gaurav Arya, General Bakshi, let us begin today with a round of applause for our friend Dr. Amjad Ayub Mirza of the Indian province of Gilgit-Baltistan, of Free Gilgit. Congratulations to you, sir, from the people of India. We are standing there with you, and I can tell you today, this round of applause goes from across the entire country to you, sir. Well done. We are so proud. So proud. And let me tell you, viewers, what he's done, Gaurav. At the 45th regular session of the UNHRC to merge Pakistan-occupied areas of Gilgit-Baltistan with India, Major Amjad Ayub Mirza Tariq Fateh said, "My people are desperate. My people are desperate to gain freedom and join Jammu and Ladakh and Kashmir in the Indian Union territory." And there's everybody working with him in this goal today. Senge Hasnan Sering, joining us today, is with you in spirit. You spoke for all of us.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done, sir. Well done. First of all, I would like you to tell us how you were received at the UN. What is the reception that you got? I'm told a lot of people congratulated you right after that. Tell us about it, sir.
Well, the situation at the United Nations Human Rights Council is at the moment very, very vibrant because of Pakistan making false claims for the 73 years. For the first time, we have used the floor to, expose Pakistan, and someone who belongs to the land of Pakistan occupied Jammu, Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan has used the floor not to demand separation or talk about the valley, but to reveal what actually is going inside the territory that is occupied by Pakistan since 1947, and also that we do not want to live with Pakistan. We are part of Indian Union territory, and the time has come for us to be vocal about it. There is nothing for us to lose except our slavery. So people were very, and I have another speech next week as well. They asked me to make another speech in another session as well on Gilgit-Baltistan. So that would be, I think, received even better than this one.
Absolutely excellent. Fabulous. Fabulous, Tariq Fateh. What do you think these Pakistanis are going to respond, Tariq Fateh? Because the voices to free Gilgit-Baltistan from the clutches of Pakistan, which has been selling them at the lowest available price, the bankrupt state of Pakistan, trying to sell a people, their culture, because they want to sell this land, its water, its air, its resources to the Chinese. How do you think these Pakistanis are going to react to it?
Well, Mr. Zade Bhutto in 1974 tried to sell Gilgit-Baltistan to China and declared it as a part of Pakistan till he was reminded that very same day that that undermines Pakistan's position at the United Nations, that the entire area is disputed. Now, had they made Gilgit-Baltistan a province of Azad Kashmir, quote unquote, then that would make sense. Because by Pakistan's contention, legal contention, and the UN Security Council resolution, all Pakistanis have to withdraw from every inch of land in the state of Jammu Kashmir as it was in 1947, August 14. But by making it a province of Pakistan, they have undermined the entire Kashmir position, and therefore, in some ways, the temporary victory is that Pakistan has no locus standi, no legal position to take on the Kashmir issue, because they've amalgamated it, and therefore this 70-year-old argument of plebiscite and referendum and UN Council resolution has gone through the wind.
Yeah. You see, this is all a result of greed, because the Pakistanis were short of money last month, Gaurav. They wanted an additional $400 million from the Chinese. The Chinese made further demands, and the demands included not giving the people of Gilgit-Baltistan access to basic drinking water, because the Chinese wanted to use it for their projects. This has actually increased the Quit Gilgit-Baltistan and POK movement. And I think now we need to double our efforts, because, you know, we have a responsibility to the people of Gilgit-Baltistan, their culture, their history, which is being ravaged, their people who are being ravaged. I think we need to assert this responsibility more gravely. What do you think? What would you say to Hamid, Omar and Qamar Chima today?
Arnab, two things. You said, last month Pakistan was short of money. I've never seen Pakistan not being short of money. These people are perpetually short of money. They're perpetually asking people.
They are paupers.
Except their new friends. Yeah, not just paupers. It's more than just being paupers, Arnab. Being pauper is not such a bad thing. They're perpetually asking for money.
Yeah.
Even when they don't need money.
It's in their nature. It's in the Pakistani mindset.
System. You know, whether it's... Yeah, it's part of the Pakistani... Whether they're asking money from Saudi, from China, from America, Pakistani friendships are based on how much money can you give me. Yeah. I need money, give it to me now. Yeah. That is what their friendships are based on. And as far as Gilgit-Baltistan is concerned,
they are like that.
Arnab, there has been simmering discontent there. And I'd just like to tell my friend Qamar Chima and my other friends from Pakistan,
please tell
two people can play the same game.
Yeah.
What you have been doing in Punjab, in the so-called Khalistan, quote-unquote, that whole drama of freedom struggle, and in Kashmir, you'll have 1 million mutinies inside Pakistan. You recently had Kafir, Shia Kafir. You remember? Kafir, Shia Kafir in Karachi. 1 million people, million Sunnis came on the streets of Karachi. We all saw the videos, we all saw the
Oh,
photos.
shocking.
Pakistan is imploding.
They wanted
Qamar
to
Chima.
carry out, they
You
were
know,
demanding,
what you should do
Gaurav,
is take advantage
they were
and apply
saying
for
there should
Indian
be a
citizenship.
genocide on all Shias.
Qamar Chima, you should apply for Indian citizenship.
They said they should be on the streets of Karachi. They were demanding a genocide and a massacre of all Shias in Pakistan. And the government could do nothing.
I want to comment.
Shias,
So all Shias also
Arnab,
now are standing up against.
on this.
I'm sure there must be a considerable population of Shias in Pakistan who will also seek independence now.
absolutely, Arnab. There are Shias.
Yes.
Though the overwhelming majority is Sunni in Pakistan,
Yeah.
which is divided between Deobandi and Barelvi. The problem is that they have declared Shia. Many of the clerics, Sunni clerics, they say Shias are wajibul qatl. They can be killed. It's okay to kill them.
What a shame.
It's
What a
okay to slaughter
barbaric
Shias.
society.
That is why they say kafir, kafir,
What a
Shia,
barbaric
kafir. What do you
country.
mean kafir? Who's kafir? But the Maulvis have decided they have come on the
I
road,
want to
Arnab.
comment on this, Arnab.
Not even
I
human.
want to comment on this.
What is there to comment, Kamar? You should be ashamed, you know, the way you people are turning around as a
For
people.
what I am here, if
Look
I don't
at you,
have
man.
to comment,
Just look at you.
Listen,
look at
man,
your
listen.
look at your walking,
Listen.
talking disaster. There's an uprising
Whatever you
everywhere,
are talking,
and
there is a
and 1
polarization
minute,
in every
Kamar.
society.
Kamar,
Listen,
Kamar.
listen. There is a
Gilgit Baltistan
polarization
is
in
seeing an
every
uprising
society,
today.
Even in India. Don't you think that the Hindus say that we should kill the Muslims? There
No,
are
they
BJP
don't.
legislators which
No, they
say
don't.
that we should kill the
Go
Muslims.
jump. They don't.
We should destroy the mosque
Nobody
to the
thinks that,
Muslims.
Qamar Chima. This is
There
all in your mind.
polarization in every country, but
Qamar
in
Chima,
my
this is
country,
all
there
in
is
your
no
mind,
official
which is why in
policy.
1971,
There is
the
no
Bengalis
legislature in
said,
Pakistan
we are happy to be
which
rid
will
of you.
say no
The Bengalis
legislature in
created their own
Pakistan
country
will say
because of
that
this
we
very
should kill
attitude.
Or we should call someone infidel. But in India, the Hindu legislatures call Muslims as infidels and liable to be killed.
No, they don't.
The mosque to be burned.
ये आपके
and
ये
you are
There is
कराची
no
के जाहिल
concept
बोलते
of
होंगे।
infidel in Hinduism.
ये कराची के
Qamar
जाहिल
Chima-
बोलते होंगे।
Qamar Chima,
People have different
This is the language of the Karachi
Qamar
Jahils.
Chima, मेरे मजहब में काफिर जैसी चीज है ही नहीं. There is no concept of kafir in Hinduism. There is no concept of kafir. You cannot be a kafir.
of Shias.
है ही नहीं है. ये सब आपका concoction है भाई. हम लोग नहीं करते ये सब. With due respect.
From
We should
Jawal
kill
Haq
Muslims.
because
Can I
it
interrupt
has
you
been
there?
institutionalized.
Can I interrupt?
It is state-sponsored genocide.
The Facebook allows the hate speech in India. The BJP politicians go for hate speech against the Muslims.
General Bakshi.
And the Facebook protects this. The
General
Facebook
Bakshi.
authorities in India protect the hate speech that comes from
No.
Hindus against
No.
Muslims. And
Now
you are
let me
talking
tell you
about
something.
a little
Let me
polarization
tell you
in
something.
Pakistan.
Qamar,
Yes.
can I-
Qamar
Polarization
Chima,
in
you're
every
lying. Qamar
country.
Chima, you're lying.
Isn't there polarization
You're lying,
in
Qamar
India?
Chima.
We heard you.
But
And you know what?
there is
Qamar,
no
we
great
heard you.
You're
reason
using the
Can I come
Republic
in?
TV platform.
General Bakshi,
You're
General
using
Bakshi.
the
Gaurav,
Republic
let
TV
General Bakshi come.
platform to speak to the
Gaurav, let General to sort him out.
You're not making
The
sense.
general will sort him out.
But in your country, they say we should kill the Muslims, we should destroy the mosque.
Arnab,
Isn't
I
it the
would
reality?
like to
The Facebook
remind
allowed
Qamar
this.
Chima.
The Facebook allowed
of-
it because they need
I mean,
business
just don't
from
yell,
India.
man.
That
You
is
are
the
a
reality
reasonable
of India.
person. I mean,
Is
talk
it a shining
reasonably.
India?
Don't
अरे
yell. Don't
कमर
yell.
कमर कमर
That
कमर
is so
nervous.
कमर
Muslims
It
are
hasn't
liable to be
started.
killed.
It
Is
hasn't
it shining
started.
India, which says
It
the
hasn't
Muslim
started.
mosque should be burnt down,
Okay.
should be brought down.
Yeah,
Is this
yeah,
something
yeah,
in
yeah.
India?
We are
You
shining.
the word.
You are the guys who are doing the killing.
Small polarization in Pakistan.
You
Yes.
are the guys
In
who
every
are
country,
doing the
every
killing.
country, there
May-
is polarization. But
may I remind you-
Pakistan,
May I remind you what happened to the Shias when Pervez Musharraf was the brigade commander in Gilgit-Baltistan?
We should kill
There were riots. The Shias rose in rebellion. And what happened?
It's not India.
Truckloads of Sunni tribesmen were brought from
We are a Muslim
the Pashtunkhwa province and let loose on the Shias. On the Shia, where the men were murdered, the women were raped and carried away.
religiously.
You call that a nation state? This is a mafia. This is a mafia. And now you are building up for a second pogrom because you are quite sure that if you wanted to make this a province, you would have to carry out the same sort of slaughter. The same slaughter that you did in Bangladesh And may I remind you who was the butcher of Bangladesh? A general called Tika Khan. May I remind you who was the butcher of Baluchistan?
Okay,
A general called Tika Khan.
Answer me. Why
Kamar.
hate
Cheema
speech against
Sahab,
Muslims in India?
Saab,
Because they
zara
need
sun
money from
I can't
BJP.
hear you. No, Muslims, you forget, you worry about yourself. You worry about the Muslim Shias. You worry about the Ahmadiyas.
I worry about
whom you
Pakistan.
don't call Muslim.
Everybody is
You
a
worry
Muslim.
about the Muhajirs.
Everybody
Old
in
boy.
Pakistan is a Muslim general.
You need to worry.
We may have
You
polarization.
need to worry.
but we
Everybody is a
respect the
Muslim,
Constitution
but
of
there are
Pakistan
Shia Muslims,
guarantees
there are Ahmadiyya
freedom.
Muslims,
The Constitution
there are
of
Muhajir
Pakistan
Muslims,
guarantees
there are Sindhi
respect.
Muslims, there are
Okay, very
Pakistani
logically.
Muslims. Did I say more?
Tariq Fateh is on the debate right
No,
now with
did I say
Tariq
more?
Fateh with Omar Altaf.
No, did I say
One
more?
second, Omar. Omar and Tariq will be on the debate. 1 minute. My question is.
I just want to clarify something.
Yeah, go on.
Sir, for 1400 years, the Shias were declared as non-Muslim kafirs. It is only India where Shia Muslims found refuge. And it was in Sindh under Maharaja Dahir Sen that
Hamid Khan.
the Prophet's family got refuge.
You say without knowing
It is
any
India
facts.
which is the only place on earth that Shias have been able to live. So let us not lie and boast about it. Mr. Cheema himself is a Shia. He should know that what we are doing over
Mr.
there.
Cheema should know. He should empathize.
People,
Arnab,
He should speak
yes,
up for
the
what is
point
happening.
is-
Kamar Cheema, you should speak up for what is happening to Shias today. I'm getting so many
Absolutely.
reactions from Pakistan saying this man is a sellout.
Mr. Subramaniam Swami said
People are saying that you are a
Muslims
sellout.
not equal citizens.
Why are people
Who
writing
said
from
Muslims are
Pakistan
not
calling
equal
you a
citizens?
sellout?
yes, they
Who
are.
said this? Mr. Swami said this. Muslims are
Yes,
not
but
equal
I live
citizens
there.
in
I
My
India.
know
question
it.
now
Mr.
is, and
Swami
on the
said
debate
I am-
right now,
Yeah.
Sarji
Shiva
Hasnan
Sahib, I'm married to a
Sering and
Shia.
Omar Altaf, thank you. Omar Altaf and Senge Hasnan Sering. My question is, I think we need to just get back to Baltistan and Gilgit Baltistan. Question is, Omar, listen, the sooner you accept a reality, the better it will be for your reaction to it. You cannot keep suppressing protests. And there were protests in Geneva in March 2020, Omar Altaf. And there, you jailed journalist, well-known journalist Shabir Siham. You jailed him because he exposed your crimes in Gilgit-Baltistan. There were protests in the UNGA in September 2019.
Baltistan, which was formerly northern areas, they acceded to Pakistan without any condition.
Who acceded?
In 1947.
Nobody acceded.
They rebelled from the
Says who?
Dogra Raj and became part of Pakistan willingly. As
Your
far as the
occupation
Shia
of
question
Gilgit
concerned,
is marked as a
Shias
black day
were
by
at
the people of
forefront
Gilgit
of the
Baltistan.
Pakistan movement, and they are an integral part of Pakistan. Shias have served as prime ministers of Pakistan and as president of our country.
in Pakistan goes on.
They remain very integral
Gilgit
for well-being
was
and our
part and
development.
is part of
No
India.
one can
As part of Jammu
alienate
Kashmir.
Shias.
Senge, I'm not getting Omar's audio well. Senge and Hamid Khan.
Shias and
Senge, my question is, how long will they continue the suppression in Gilgit? Yeah, I can hear you now. You'll have to speak louder. You are getting constantly interrupted by the Pakistani guests. Hamid Khan, if you listen to him and then respond, please. Yeah.
Let me say something as a Shia of Gilgit-Baltistan. If I had to choose between a Pakistani Muslim and a Hindu, I would choose a Hindu a million times over. Because a Pakistani Muslim is a mental disease. It's not a religion. Hinduism is a civilization. We all belong to it. So I don't think what they're talking about, Muslims not represented in India are not getting equal rights. We are equal citizens. Our constitution guarantees that we are equal citizens. We are proud of Indian constitution. Now, coming back to Gilgit-Baltistan, the Pakistanis, they are really good at myth-making.
Let me come into debate now.
And they do not know anything about
I'll give you
Gilgit.
your turn, Hamid.
Okay.
They go and get
I
some
would
directives
say,
from ISI and they
that
spread the
that
terror.
your
You
media
have no
and your
locus
government
standi to say
is
anything
so
because
good
Gilgit
to
Baltistan
find
belongs to
these
India.
guys.
One minute.
withdraw.
Senge, he's interrupting you, so if you can just stop for a while. One second. What is Hamid?
Okay, let me tell you one
Hamid,
thing.
we will,
Do you know one thing?
Hamid, the
The
way you are
difference- the
torturing people in
difference-
Gilgit. I'm just asking you.
I'll tell
Did
you
you
one
not
thing. The
torture
difference
Shabir
between-
Hussain,
Yes, we are
a resident of
we
Chalatbala
are making
district,
Gilgit
because he
Baltistan
refused
as
to
the
heed
big
a
province
Jirga
of
verdict?
Pakistan.
There were
It's the
lashes
will
all over
and
his
the
body.
will of the
You are
people of
taking the Gilgit activists
Gilgit
and you are
Baltistan.
publicly whipping them. I'm asking you today.
I'll tell you.
No,
I'll tell
you
you
don't.
one
One
thing.
second. Hamid,
We are
you will
going to
debate not
make-
with me. You will debate with
I am
Dr. Amjad
going to
Ayub.
say- I'm
Amjad
going to
Ayub.
tell you few things.
No, you
Arnab,
tell him. You tell
listen.
him and he'll debate with you.
Our
Yes, the difference between
in their 20s. Yeah, what is 20s? Young men in their 20s are serving
and you
60,
trying
70,
to remove the
90 years rigorous imprisonment in the jails of Gilgit Baltistan. That is what is reality. Reality is that no one in Gilgit Baltistan is allowed to speak their heart. I was on the phone all day today and they were saying to me, Dr. Saab, you have done a great job. You have represented us. We want to join Ladakh. We want this Kardu Kargil road to reopen. And these Pakistanis say that Gilgit Baltistan acceded to Pakistan willingly. This is a blatant lie. On the 31st of October, when the British realized that they have lost the war in Kashmir, they ordered Major William Brown to stage a coup, and he staged a coup with British officers of the Gilgit Scouts. He toppled the government. He arrested Governor Ghansara Singh, representative of Maharaja Hari Singh. And then on the 2nd of November, from Gilgit Agency, they took off the flag of the state, former state, princely state of Jammu Kashmir.
Hamid Khan.
And they put Pakistani flag.
Hamid.
Pakistani
strategic.
And you say this is a
Hamid.
peaceful accession? Gilgit Baltistan will never
Arnab,
be
I want
subjugated.
a few minutes
We
to
were
speak.
India, we are India, we will remain India. And we will fight. Even if the Indian army doesn't fight, we will fight. देखते हैं कैसे तुम हमारे इस गिलगित बल्तिस्तान को सूबा बनाते हो. आ करके देखो, तुम इलेक्शन के लिए तड़प रहे हो, कोई तुम्हें कैंडिडेट वहां पे नहीं मिल रहा अपनी पार्टी के लिए और तुम बातें करते हो.
Let me tell you one thing. The Gilgit Baltistan is going to be the province with the will and the wish of the public and the people of Gilgit Baltistan. It is
People
not
of
going
Gilgit
to be
Baltistan बैठा हुआ ना सामने, दो बंदे बैठे नजर नहीं आ
और
रहे.
यार ये मेरी बात सुनो.
दो बंदे
Listen
बैठे
to
हुए
me.
ना
Listen
सामने.
to me.
हम मैं कह रहा हूँ
Having a paid
मैं मीरपुर से हूँ.
are not
मैं
the
कह रहा हूँ नहीं जाना मैंने
representative. Do you know
पाकिस्तान
who
के
the
साथ
real
नहीं होना.
representative of Gilgit Baltistan and Kashmir is? Mir Wais Umar Farooq, is Yasin Malik, Saeed Ahmed
वो तुम्हारे
Gilani,
पैसे
big figure.
तुम लोगों
When
ने
they
उनका
fight
माल
for the
खिलाया हुआ है.
Kashmiris.
वो पाकिस्तान के एजेंट है.
Okay.
वो पाकिस्तान के एजेंट है.
This guy
जिनको
even
आपने
may not
निशाने
have a
पाकिस्तान,
Pakistani
you
or
try to
Gilgit
give,
ID card.
you try
You know
to
that
give
this guy
निशाने
may not have
पाकिस्तान
an ID
to
card.
हुर्रियत
You have
leader
made him a Gilgit
Gilani.
Baltistani.
He
He
was
may
so
not even have
ashamed
any
that
identity.
he refused.
He may not even have any identity. And let
He
me
was
tell
so
you one
ashamed
thing. We
that
all
he has
knew
been
it. We
उसको नंगा कर दिया
all over
पाकिस्तान
the
ने कि
world,
उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया कि मैं
everybody
लेता ही नहीं
knew
हूँ.
that once you are
लिहाजा
grabbed by the
तुम लोग
Chinese
निकलो हमारे
in
इलाकों से,
LAC,
नहीं
you
तो हम
will
तुम्हें
have to
जूता मार
talk
के
about
निकालेंगे.
this Gilgit
हम लोगों
Baltistan.
का सबर जो है
You know,
खत्म हो गया है.
they have built terrorist camps out there in Gilgit Baltistan. This is so shameful. And Shriram Cholia will tell you they have allowed Hafiz Saeed to run sex rackets. Hafiz Saeed carries out human trafficking.
Arnab, it's a total exploitation going on.
Yeah,
It's
you
a
tell
colony
them.
of the
You tell
Pakistan
Kamar. You tell
military
Kamar.
And now subcontracted to the Chinese.
Yeah.
The Chinese have taken over most of the prime real estate, like you said, even water. The locals are being subjected to such atrocities. Can you believe this? I mean, this is a country that always adopts a kind of a holier than thou attitude when it comes to Kashmir. Look at the exploitation that's going on there. That's why people have risen up. People are being depopulated there. The Chinese workers are settling in thousands. They're going to become the majority. And then eventually China will say you hand over Gilgit-Baltistan and make it a province of China. And ये लोग उस हद तक भी जाएंगे अर्नब, because as you said, beggars cannot be choosers. A time will come when they are going to parcel away everything and retain only the heart of the
and
I
Tariq
appreciate the Indian deep state which is giving you stories. Indian deep state raw gives you stories about Gilgit-Baltistan. We thank you.
Yes, they give
you
it
are
to me.
promoting the soft image of Gilgit-Baltistan. Now the international tourists will come and they will see how beautiful is
Which
Gilgit-Baltistan. Thank you,
Tourists
India.
will come to
Thank you,
Pakistan?
Deep State.
Are you
Thank you,
serious?
Republic TV. We are.
देखिए, Kamar Chima, there's a very simple issue. Do Chinese have prisons in Gilgit-Baltistan or not?
Yes, they
Have
do.
they not transferred their prisons and workers?
Is Gilgit-Baltistan Pakistani territory or Chinese territory? This
It is Chinese.
It is Chinese
It
territory.
is Chinese.
Oh, sir,
You've solved
Chinese
it.
occupied.
It is a Pakistani territory and you need to correct your geography. अपना
Geografia नहीं होता, geography होती है. क्या बोलते हो यार? You speak English also like a Pakistani.
Oh, भाई गाल तो
देखिए,
सुनो.
चीमा साहब.
You were studying
चीमा जी.
geography in your matriculation. You actually did.
What is it about geography? Why are there Chinese prisons? Why are there Chinese prisons in Gilgit?
Simple.
What geography are you talking about? Your geography.
You have skipped.
Why don't you claim East Pakistan?
Understand geography.
Chima, why don't you claim East
Canada
Pakistan?
में बैठ के You are speaking what Indians tell you. Please speak.
Bhai, yes, of course.
Are people of Gilgit-Baltistan want access to their resources?
I feel
No, 1 minute. This man is freaking me out. 1 minute. GD Bakshi, tell him. GD Bakshi, tell him. Topaz, emerald, gold, uranium, all the natural resources are being taken away by the Chinese, even water.
Impoverished, marginalized Indians. कब बोलोगे उनके लिए?
Even the water is not being spared. You know, Arnab, Chima Saab, zara 1 minute. Let's have a rational debate. You are heckling. Don't heckle. Arnab, I want to point out that the Pakistani army has systematically exploited and looted the people and resources of Gilgit-Baltistan. All the timber, all the mansions that the corps commanders built,
Disrespectful to
all the mansions that your corps commanders have. Stop screaming your head off.
my army.
Stop screaming your head off. You are getting hysterical. You need to see a doctor.
Because people like
You
Dilbhushan
need to see
Yadav
a
who
doctor.
come in India and Pakistan.
Frankly, you need a psychiatrist. The way you are screaming,
So do not
frankly, you
speak
need a
about army.
psychiatrist now.
This is army.
And you will need
Which is
more.
teaching you a lesson.
Once the real
अगर आपको
action
चीनी आर्मी
begins,
का भी पता चल रहा है
you
इसका।
have heard the people of Gilgit-Baltistan. You have heard the voice of Gilgit-Baltistan here in this studio. Alright? And it's a loud and clear message. We are sick and tired of Pakistan and its shenanigans. You have sold us out to one too many people.
So go into the Indian Ocean
Alright?
if you are tired
One
of
too many.
Pakistan.
We don't
Change
want
your
Chinese
geography.
masters.
Take
They
away
don't
your
want
India to the
Chinese
Indian Ocean.
masters. Right? They
Take
don't
away
want
your
to
India
supply
the
their
Indian Ocean.
women
If you are
to
sick of
China
us,
at
we
your
are here.
behest.
We will stay here. And we will
You-
defend ourselves.
They do not
Because
want
we know you are
to
an
supply their
aggressor. You are
women
an expensive
to the
power.
Chinese
You
at
want to
your
expand
behest.
yourself.
Because
ये
that
जो-
is
ये
what
जो अखंड
you
भारत
have
है
been
ना,
reduced to.
I think I make an appeal for all right-thinking people, Gaurav. When I say that at the end, I think you need to say this, Gaurav, to them. You need to tell this Chima something, Gaurav. You know, they've been plundering the resources, establishing Chinese prisons. They take out the people and they lash them in public. They've made it a sex trade center for Hafiz Saeed. Gaurav, can you just give a dose of reality to this man who lives in a place where unless you are Punjabi and Sunni, you're not human. Unless you're Punjabi and Sunni, you're not human. So Chima, according to the Pakistani army, Chima is not a human. Stop laughing like that. You know, you make an ass of yourself on television.
Arnab,
You know,
Arnab,
Even without laughing, you do, but it becomes more obvious when you laugh.
Kamar Chima is trying to defend his army. Arnab, 1 minute. Kamar Chima is trying to defend his army, saying, no, you can't say anything against the Pakistan army. Arnab, मैंने एक्सपोज करा था लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल आसिम सलीम बाजवा को, वो पापा जॉन के पिज्जा बेचता है, इनका जनरल पकड़ा गया, मैंने एक्सपोज करा। पाकिस्तान का हर टीवी चैनल कोट कर रहा है मेरे को, पूछो। वो चोर है, वो आसिम बाजवा चोर है, पिज्जा बेचता है इनका जनरल। ये मुझे बता रहा है, बुरा मत मानना कमर चीमा, तुम्हारा जनरल पिज्जा बेचता है पापा जॉन का। मैंने पोल खोली तुम्हारे जनरल की, तब से तुम लोग भाग के माथे पे जो पसीना आ रहा है चीमा, पूछो क्या करा तुम्हारे जनरल ने? आसिम बाजवा पिज्जा बेचता है, 125 दुकानें पिज्जा की उसकी, पूछो। बलूचिस्तान में माइनिंग ऑपरेशन है उसके लड़के के, राइट, रेस्टोरेंट चलाता है अमेरिका में, पूछिए तारीख।
सर, लेट मी करेक्ट इट, वो पिज्जा बनाता नहीं है, पिज्जा डिलीवर करता है। वो पिज्जा डिलीवर करता है सर, वो टिप लेता है घर घर जाके, माई बाप पाकिस्तान का फौजी मुझे को दे दो, अरे कोई 2.5 सेंट देता है तो 5 सेंट देता है। ये बेगैरत लोग पाकिस्तान का पैसा लूट के यहाँ बैठे हुए, जहाँ कनाडा में पिज्जा डिलीवर कर रहे हैं। और खुदा दे शर्म करो, और कोई तवायफ बना के करता है सानू मुल्क नू।
And the army and
Sir, concubine.
Okay, we close the debate at that point. I would only say, remember viewers, let's make this debate go viral. Gilgit is Indian, and India's heart beats in Gilgit as well as for the people of Gilgit-Baltistan and Balochistan, and for the Shias who should fight. Kamar Chima should be fighting the injustice against him. But this man, Kamar Chima, is not even loyal to his forefathers. Kamar Chima is not even loyal to his forefathers tonight. I thank you very much for that debate.